Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Computer Science, class 3rd, lesson number 5, Know the Keyboard. This is a book, chapter number 5, Know the Keyboard. In this chapter, you will learn, identify and familiarize with the position of caps lock key, shift key and num lock keys on the keyboard. Appreciate the purpose of these keys. Familiarize with the position of delete and backspace key of the keyboard. Means what is the use of delete and backspace key. Learn the use of delete and backspace key. Appreciate the difference between the use of delete and backspace key. Dobo says, Tobo, can you type capital letter as we write in capitals? Tobo says, oh yes, it is possible. We can write capital letters in the computer. Dobo says, how it can be possible? Tobo says, we can write capital letters with the help of special keys. Now, what is caps lock key? We all know that caps lock key is used to write the capital letters. When we press this key, the caps lock light glows on the keyboard. The light indicates that the key is on. Now the text we type will appear in capital letter. As in our home, we switch on the button of tube light and fan and TV, AC. Then our electric machine, or we can say tube light fan, will be on, and when we switch off the button, the light, fan and AC and fridge, TV will be off. In the same way, caps lock key has on and off button. When we on the caps lock key, the light on the keyboard glows on, and we switch off the caps lock key, the light is off. Such keys which can be turned on and off are called toggle keys. The keys on the keyboard which can be turned on and off are called toggle keys. Shift key. What do you mean by the shift key? Shift key is used in combination with other keys. It means when we press the shift key alone, it has of no use. But when you press the shift key with other key, then it will work. So it is called shift key is used in a combination with other combination keys, we can say. If you want to type the upper letter, we use the shift key. It means caps lock key is also used to write the capital letter and shift key is also used to write the capital letter. But caps lock key is a toggle key. It can be on and off, but shift key is not a toggle key. When you press the shift key and simultaneously you press other alphabet, then it will come on the capital letter. Dobo says, I am confused. What do you mean the upper character of numeric key? Means, Dobo says, check the keys carefully. There are some keys with two characters. These are known as upper and lower character. Example, keys on which the number 2 is written also has @ symbol on it. Look, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are written on it, and on top there are some symbols on it. So these are the keys which has two characters. If you want to write 1, 2, 3, 4 number, then you just press these keys, then 1, 2, 3, 4 number will appear on the screen. But if you write the symbols written on the above of the keys, then what you have to do? You have to press the shift key, then you have to press the 2. Then on the screen, @ symbol will come. This is the activity. Locate the caps lock key on the keyboard. It is present on the dash of the keyboard. Look, where is the caps lock key? Here. It is present on the left hand side of the keyboard. When caps lock key is on, we get dash letter. We already learned that when caps lock key is on, we get capital letters. Locate the shift key on the keyboard. It is located below dash key. Where is the shift key? Here is the shift key. It is located below the caps lock key. and one shift key, it is located below the enter key. There are two shift keys. A keyboard has dash shift keys, two shift keys. Shift key is present on both dash and dash side of the keyboard, left and right side of the keyboard. Caps lock key is a toggle key. Toggle keys are those keys which can be turned on and off. A toggle key is one which can be turned on and off. Color shift key with red color and caps lock key with green color in the picture of keyboard shown above. In your book, you have to color red color of the shift key and green color with the caps lock key. This is the hands-on we will do in the class. Now Dobo says, hey, I am using shift key in combination with letter T, but I am getting it in small case. Do you know? When the caps lock key is engaged, the shift key can be used to type lowercase letters. It means when your caps lock key is on, it will type capital letter. But simultaneously, when you press the shift key along with this, then it will type small letter. If caps lock key is on and we press the shift key along with the letter key, we will get small letter. Similarly, when caps lock key is off, we get capital letter. Numlock key. When we press this key, the numlock light glows on the keyboard. Now we can use the numeric keypad on the right hand side of the keyboard to enter the numbers. I already told you that what are the toggle keys which can be turned on and off are called the toggle keys in the caps lock key. In the same way, numlock is also a toggle key. When you switch on the button of numlock key, the light glows on the keyboard, and when you switch off the button, the light will off. Dobo says, why do we have number keys at two places on the keyboard? You have seen that we on the keyboard 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there on the top of alphabets, and from the right side there are numbers. Dobo says, it makes the number entry process quicker and more accurate for people such as accountants who do a lot of number work. And you have seen that in the bank when they have to write too much work on the numbers and in the fee counter of the school, then they can use numbers from the right hand side of the keyboard. Tobo says keyboard has two more keys which work like an eraser. They are backspace or delete key. There is function similar to the eraser when we do the corrections on the rubbing the mistake. Now learn what do you mean by the backspace key. This key when pressed erases the character one by one on the left side of the cursor. This is the backspace key. You can see there is a left arrow on the backspace key. It means backspace key is used to erase the character from the left side of the cursor, and delete key is used to erase the character one by one on the right side of the cursor. This is the difference between backspace key and delete key. Both are used as an eraser. Thank you.